Hello everyone. Today I am going to introduce a new dish. So it is known as the prawn or shrimp biryani. So let's have a look at the ingredients. I will start with the masalas first. So I have taken 2 to 3 tablespoons of cumin seeds. This is cinnamon sticks. 3-4 is fair enough. This is cloves, 4 to 5 pieces, and 2 to 3 pieces of elaichi. This is the bay leaves. So I have taken 4-5 small pieces of bay leaves, which can be used for the flavoring purpose. This is the raw masala, which includes all the main masala ingredients. This is another masala I have taken, which is having a flavoring of chicken. So it is alternative, it is not mandatory, you can skip it as well. This is the kasuri methi, so 2 to 3 tablespoons is fine. This is green chili, 3 chilies I have taken. This is a bunch of coriander. This is 3 chopped tomato, and onions I have chopped in a different way so that we will roast it and it can be used for the garnishing purpose. I have taken 200 grams of shrimps and I have kept it on marination. I have used a little salt and turmeric powder for the marination process. Let it marinate for let's say 25 to 30 minutes. This is the rice. So you can use basmati rice as well as the normal rice which you prefer. So I have made a combination of basmati as well as the normal rice. So I have been soaking this rice for around, let's say, 20 to 25 minutes. I will keep it for some more time so that it can be used for. So I have taken a kadhai and the oil is almost heated. It's time to put the chopped onions. We have to make sure that the onions are brown enough and we have to cook till that time. So let it cook. Mainly the handi I am using for today's prawn biryani. I have kept water, so it is almost boiled, and it's time to put the rice which has been soaked for long. You can add a little bit of bay leaf, elaichi and cinnamon sticks. That gives a very nice flavor and fragrance to the biryani. And remember, you have to cook 3/4 of the rice, don't cook entirely. So once we are ready with the biryani, once we are ready with the prawns, then we will cook the rice for some more time. Wow, the onions are almost done. So make sure that it turns this much brown and it should be crispy like this. It's time to prepare the prawn gravy. So let's get started. So I'm preparing the prawns gravy. I have put the 2 tablespoons of jeera, garlic, I'm using very light masalas in this because prawns are cooked well in the less masala itself. They have their own taste, and prawns are very good in proteins. It has high quality protein with low fat. That is very important. It's time to put this raw formats of masala. See, all the flavors are coming out and it is getting cooked well. It's time to put the other things, which is turmeric powder, chili powder 1 tablespoon, salt as per taste, mix them well. Now it's time to put the prawns. Prawns cook really fast, so you just have to wait until it leaves a little water. Let's check the gravy. As you can see, the prawns are leaving the water behind, so it is almost cooked. It's time to arrange all the biryani ingredients. I have cooked the rice in 3/4 manner. So now we will do the layering and let it cook for some time. You can arrange as you wish to arrange. The prawns have turned really succulent and it's looking tempting. Add a ghee. Ghee will make very nice flavor to your biryani. The onions, they have really turned well. You can put layering like this. Coriander. And you can do it in a similar way. You can layer it by the onions, by coriander. You can also use pudina. So you can see the yummy prawns biryani is almost ready. It is looking very yum and I just can't wait to have this divine dish. I will let it cook for around 5 to 10 minutes and it will be ready for serving purpose. Remember that this will be very useful for decreasing the risk of chronic diseases like cancer diseases or heart diseases. People can have this biryani as it is very healthy. So enjoy more flavors on my channel. Thank you.